In this video, you will see how I soldered GPIO header onto this Pi 0W. Just as a disclaimer, I'm not an expert in soldering. If you attempt to do this project, do it at your own risk. I will say though that at the price point of $10, it's really a low risk. And as you can see from this video, I did it with no problem. And again, I've soldered very few things in my life. So the key thing that I found is just patience and a steady hand. So here I have the header mocked up and the Pi 0 flipped over on its back. This is where I will solder the connectors. In order to keep the surface flat, I actually took the case that came with the kit that I bought and wedged it underneath the side that didn't have the header, so everything would be flat and I could solder on a flat surface. If you're unfamiliar with what a Raspberry Pi 0W is, it's basically a small microcomputer that can fit in the palm of your hand. It uses a micro SD card for the operating system, uses a mini HDMI for video, and it has two micro USBs, one for power and the other one to run accessories like mouse and keyboard. This particular model is a W, which means it has wireless capabilities such as Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So one side is all finished, on to the other side. As you're watching me solder the rest of this, I'm going to talk a little bit about what this Raspberry Pi is going to be used for. In this particular case, I'm using this Pi 0W for a project where I can use my phone to control my garage door. Hence why I'm going to be soldering GPIO headers onto this Pi 0. There are tons of resources out there on other capabilities and uses for the Pi 0W. Just a simple Google search away. So you're probably wondering, how much does this thing cost? You can get them online for about $10 for just the Raspberry Pi itself, but there are lots of kits out there that offer a case, a micro SD card, and a power supply, and those run about $25 shipped to your door on Amazon. I'll place a link in the description below for the kit that I used. The kit that I bought didn't come with GPIO headers, so I actually used some that I had laying around from another project. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click the like button below, and please subscribe to stay up to date with the latest projects. Again, this one's going to be used for a garage door opener project that I have in the works. Thank you and have a good day.